Okay, good morning or good afternoon, students. We came out here to the Great Salt Lake to learn about salinity, osmosis, and the properties of water. Going to see if this works. So what I did is, for those of you who are using celery, we've got two 5-centimeter pieces of celery cut. And for those of you who are using potatoes, we've got two 5-centimeter long wedges of potatoes cut. And here I have labeled, you can't see, but I've got salt water, and fresh water. So we're going to put some salt, about 2 tablespoons, in the salt water for the potato and the celery. Now what I'm going to do is stir it up and stir it up. And then we will put a potato in the salt water and a potato in the fresh water, and then a piece of celery in the salt water and a piece of celery in the fresh water. And what we'll do is we'll let it sit for 30 minutes. It is, let's see, what time is it now? It is 8 o'clock in the morning right now. And so at 9 o'clock we'll come back and we'll check the length. We forgot to make some characteristics about the celery. So why don't you look at the celery right here? You can see if it's crisp. Look at its characteristics. Looks pretty watery. Go ahead as if you were doing this at home. Record your observations of, how does it look. Also, we had our potato here. Same thing. Similar characteristics. I don't know if I can't break it, but there you go. Okay, next. On wax paper. Oops. And we're going to push 2 small drops together and see what happens. So let's go for this one. Let's try it again. Okay. You've just watched cohesion, and now you're going to use a dictionary to define cohesion. And answer question number 3, why did the drops stick together as they did? Oh, sweet, the wind. There we go. It's kind of fun. Okay, now it says to drop several drops of water on tin foil. 2 pieces of tin foil, and then stick them together using the tin foil, the water as glue. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to stick them together right like this, or if I'm supposed to, let's do it both. So how should we look and see? Well, okay, so now what I've got is 2 pieces of aluminum foil. I'm going to put some water on one, put some water on the other. Then I'm going to stick them together. And lift up, and they're both stuck together. Now if I peel them apart, see it's sort of sticking. They definitely stick together. Guys, I'm sorry, there's a bus behind us. There's a bus